A couple of catalysts that I think will make Wish run. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be discussing famous stock, Wish, and why I personally think, that this company is getting ready to run fairly soon. Remember guys, if you find any of this information informative, please like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button because it helps us out a lot in terms of getting other people to see this same video and get this information that might help them out in, you know, their training or whatnot. But also, if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us on Twitter at InvestingOG. Okay, right there we give out calls, plays. Remember guys, sometimes it takes a little while for us to put out these videos, but on Twitter we just give out the information as it comes in. Okay, with that guys, let me get right into the video. I got very important information on Wish today, so it's going to be very important that you stay tuned all the way to the very end. If you have any types of questions guys, whether it's this company or another company, let us know please, because I'm more than happy to answer any questions. Okay, with that guys, I'm going to make this short. And compact, but I'm going to get straight to the point. We're going to talk about Wish and why I think we have a couple catalysts coming up. Okay, first of all, let me talk about the Russell. Okay, the Russell 2000 is what Wish is part of. Okay, a lot of times, for example, I'll give you Apple. Apple is part of the NASDAQ. As the NASDAQ goes up, usually Apple will follow, or vice versa. As Apple falls down, usually it'll pull down the NASDAQ with it because it's such a big, huge stock. Same thing works for these companies. Okay, smaller companies. This Wish company is on the Russell. Now I wanted to show you something and why I think it might be a turning point here for the Russell 2000 as well for the for Wish, because it's going to follow it along. Okay, so I want to show you the chart real quick, and if we go to the 3-month chart on the Russell 2000, you can see that back in May there was a very low point here. Okay, low point 211.85. Not too long ago, here in July, on July 16th, July 19th, we experienced right around almost to the same exact number, 211.73. Okay, well, if we go back to May, after we had that drop and we spiked up, we went to a high of 232.89, and now we just passed this level. So I can expect a similar movement. It might not get up to 232, but it might pass 232, go higher, or it might come back down. Okay, I'm going based off movements in the market, previous movements. So usually the market will continue to go upwards. There's always going to be drops in the market. Okay guys, but just make sure, like I'm giving you a reason why I think if the Russell 2000 continues to go up higher, then Wish will continue on its way up as well. Okay, second most important thing that I have in mind here, and I'm going to deal with some technical analysis right now, right after this, but a big catalyst for Wish is going to be earnings guys, and their earnings is on August 12th. Okay, that's when they report earnings, that's when they report revenues. Usually stocks run up to earnings. It's not always 100% sure thing, but usually they do, and that's a big reason why I think this stock, because it is undervalued at this current price, I think it will make a run anywhere between $2 to $5 up to earnings. And I'll show you why I think this is coming. Okay, I'll show you why I think this is coming. Now on Friday, I put out on our Twitter, I said there was heavy flow coming in on calls, $25 strike calls, and you can see it here, 25, 25, 25, 25. Way out of the money. Out of the money means it's not within the $10 range where it usually has been trading at. These calls were set for 12/22, most of them. There's a couple in here that's set for September as well, but this was the first time I started seeing this flow coming in on Black Box, okay, in the last couple of weeks. So that was very intriguing. Now, if I go to those calls and I show you here, for that particular call, which is this one, the $25 strike for Wish, for December 22nd, okay, December 16th of 2022. That's next year, okay? If they get a $1 movement in the short term, they would be generating a $43 increase in money, okay? So for every dollar that would go up, they would generate a $43 increase. Now, we too have calls on Wish, and our calls are at the $10 strike with a delta here at a 69. So that means every time a dollar goes up on Wish, we would generate $69 worth of money, okay? That's in the short term. These numbers vary as time decay passes, as implied volatility. These numbers can vary greatly, okay? That's just giving you an idea. But the interesting part was that there was big money coming in on this play, okay? This money, you can see here, and the important part is that there's sweeps. 101,000, 130,000, $200,000 orders. It's big money coming in. To me, you ask me, I believe that next week will be the final week that you can get Wish at this price, okay? At the discounted price of this. Now, let's step into our technical analysis and let's give you a better idea of where we're at and where we're heading to, okay? Look, guys, if you've been watching our videos, and you know the levels that Wish has been working on for the last couple of weeks. And I'm going to show you again here what we're seeing. For the last, I want to say back mid-July till now, we've been trading right here in this area, which is the current level. I marked it down, okay, current level, and we've been trading basically sideways for this amount of time. We touched here at the 1020 support right around here, and we looked like we wanted to head up, but we came back down. And right now we closed on Friday right around that big support that I've been constantly talking about, the $9.20 support. If we were to break this support and head back down, then this stock can go ahead and come back down. I really think that next week we will continue to trade right around this level. We might even towards the end of the week break up a little bit and break this area of resistance, which is the 1020 level. If we do that, then I think for the following week, which is right around the beginning of August, I think we can expect this stock to head upwards. And if we go back to this right here, the 1518, that's going to be our big resistance here level that we're going to have to break through in order to hit this kaboom, guys. Because once we hit this 1550 level, once we break that, guys, then I can expect a big movement on Wish. Really, it's going to depend on the amount of volume. As of late, if I go back 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, we were right around the 80 to 90 million in volume. Currently, we're at about 40 million. So basically, we've cut the volume in half. We need that volume to start picking up, guys. We need that volume to start increasing back up. If we get volume increasing up, and if we get a good earnings report, the sky is the limit, guys. And I think that's why. Wish will be moving up soon, okay? I think that within the next 7 to 10 days, you will still have an opportunity to get these prices on this stock. But soon after that, it will be all over, I think. I think it'll start heading upwards. With that, guys, don't want to take too much of your time. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.